Hi, my name is Ethan, and today I'll show you how to find items using the library catalog. Using the catalog can help you find books at Welder Library on campus or other libraries in the local area. Before using the catalog, I would highly recommend going ahead and stopping by the front desk of Welder Library to register your M card in order to use it as a library card if you've not done so already. Doing so will allow you to check out books from us as well as place hold on books from other libraries in town. I think the easiest way to get to where I'll be navigating today is if you Google UMary Welder Library. It should be the first result. So if we go ahead and click on that first result there, it'll bring you to our main page on umary.edu. For today's tutorial, like I said, I'll be going over the catalog. So all of our resources are going to be on this left side, and today I'll go into the catalog here. Then, once you're on this page, you'll want to click on this orange library catalog button, and it'll bring you right here to the Central Dakota Library Network. So when you search here, it searches not only books on campus at Welder Library, but also books in town, such as Bismarck Public or Mandan, basically anything in the Central Dakota Library Network area. So let's go ahead and do our search. Okay. Once you search and you click on a result right here, for example, you'll be able to see which library it's at right here, where it's located on the shelf right here, whether it's checked out or if it's available for you to check out. You'll notice that when you first search, like I said, results will show up with books from other libraries, such as this one, for example. You can see that it's at Bismarck Public Library. In a minute, I can show you how to narrow your search down if you wanted to only see books from Welder Library on campus. But let's say, for example, you wanted this book, and you notice it's at Bismarck Public. We could still get it to you by placing a hold on it. So if you scroll up a little bit, if you click on this blue place hold button, it'll prompt you for your barcode and your PIN number. So this is why I highly recommend going ahead and registering your M card, because without doing so, you won't be able to do this. If you've got your M card registered, the information that you would enter right here is the number on the back of your M card. It's right under the barcode. It's that long number. So note that it's not your student ID, but rather it's that longer number right under the barcode on the back of your M card. And then the PIN number is going to be whatever 4-digit PIN number you set up whenever you registered your card. If you can't remember your PIN number, you can definitely stop by the front desk for assistance or call us or email us. Once you enter in that information and log in, a hold will be placed on it, and it should be sent to campus within around 2 days. It's a really quick system. There's a daily courier service, so it will be, like I said, just maybe 1, if not 2 days to arrive on campus. I would definitely keep an eye on your email for a notification when it arrives. When you do receive that notification saying that your items arrived, you can come and pick it up at the front desk of Welder Library. All right. Like I said, if you wanted to narrow your search down to see books that are just on campus, if you go right here on this left side under these limiters, under the library right here, you're going to want to click on View All, scroll down a little bit, and find Welder Library. Check off that checkbox right there. Scroll up a little bit and click that blue Include button. So now only results are going to show up of books that are available on campus in Welder Library. So we can go ahead and click on this example. So as you can see, it's at Welder Library. You can see the location of where it's at on the shelf. And again, whether it's available or if it's already checked out. If you need help locating the item, you can definitely stop by the front desk and we'd be happy to help you out in finding it on the shelf. If you notice that it's a book that you wanted that's checked out, we can still get it to you through our interlibrary loan system. You can see our video tutorial on how to do that as well. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, but like I said, if you need further assistance, please see us at the front desk of Welder Library, or you can also contact us by calling 701-355-8070, or you can email us at library@umary.edu.